Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. And in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working or the connection is intermittent on the Samsung Galaxy A3 from 2017. So, to fix the issue, at first you need to restart your router. And I won't show you how to do it because I don't have the router itself with me. You have to just turn it off or just unplug it from the power outlet and plug it back again, or I do recommend to turn it off by button, using the buttons. So yeah, and restart the Wi-Fi module in your phone itself. To restart the Bluetooth module in your phone, here scroll down to the control panel, extend the control panel and tap on the Wi-Fi icon. Here now our phone has the Wi-Fi disabled. I will wait until the router turns on and then turn on Wi-Fi in our phone, and then we can connect back again to our router. And that is for the restarting the Wi-Fi. Then we can go to the system settings and just forget our Wi-Fi network and connect to the Wi-Fi back again. To do so, we have to go straight to connections at the top of our screen, tap here on the Wi-Fi option, and here we do have, as you can see, current network. We can click that and click here forget. Now we can turn off our Wi-Fi, but I don't really have to, and now we can connect to the Wi-Fi network back again. I don't really remember if I was connected to this Wi-Fi or this Wi-Fi, but this is only for an example. Here now I will enter the password for my Wi-Fi, so wait a moment. Now as you can see, we are connected to our Wi-Fi network, and it should be better now, but if it isn't, you have to check the advanced Wi-Fi settings. So again, let's go to settings, connections, Wi-Fi here, and here there's three dots at the top right corner. Here tap advanced, and here check if you have enabled the keep Wi-Fi on during sleep. Here you have to tap always, but if you have it never, change it to always here. It should work for you now, I think so, and yeah, that's how it works. Now we can turn the settings off for now, and now I recommend to reset the networking settings. Of course it will reset the data transmission settings, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings, but yeah, we have to do something to fix the issue, right? At first we need to enter system settings back again, and here now we have to scroll down to the system general management. Here now we have to tap reset here, and here we do have reset network settings. Here, as you can see, this will reset all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. You will have to pair your Wi-Fi network back again, pair your Bluetooth devices back again, for example headphones, speakers, even a car or something like that, back again. As for the mobile data, it won't really change. It won't really change anything. Only reset your stats, so you can just tap reset settings. Now the problem should be fixed. Apart from that, you can do a factory reset of your phone, but I don't really think that it will fix the issue, and something is wrong with the system or with the phone. And now I recommend to check if you have some system updates, if you are on some older versions of the Samsung experience. So go to the system settings back again, and here scroll to the software update. Tap on download updates manually and check for updates. If you have some updates, update your phone, because it's very important to have your phone updated to the latest version, because mostly Samsung releases some quick fixes for example Wi-Fi, battery, etc. This is a common thing for developers to fix the issues with the quick patch fixes. And yeah, but if you don't have any updates here and the problem still occurs, either reboot your phone, wipe cache partition recovery mode, but I don't really think that it should help you, or just take your phone to the authorized service and let them fix your phone. Of course, I would recommend to do a factory reset of your phone before taking your phone to the authorized service, because of the data and privacy. It may be my own concern and my own trauma, but I do that. And that's it for this video. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It's really important to us to work for you, to make the videos better, and yeah. And if you have any drawbacks, or if you have any questions, ask them in comments below. Goodbye!